Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Facebook Reels black screen issue on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check and fix your internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable. If you're facing connection problems, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, and then turn it off. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, or from mobile data back to Wi-Fi. After doing that, open Facebook. Tap Menu, and tap the gear icon to go to the Settings and Privacy. Scroll down, tap Browser, and select Clear. Now check if the issue is fixed. If the problem is still there, move on to the next method. Solution 2. Update the Facebook app. Open the App Store. Search for Facebook. And if an update is available, update the app. If there is no update showing, skip ahead to Solution 3. Offload the app, open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search for Facebook, tap on it, and choose Offload App. Tap Offload App again. And finally, tap Reinstall App. After completing these steps, your Facebook Reels black screen issue should be resolved. Thank you for watching.